What's up, everybody? It's Odyssey back with week 2 of our training challenge. We've learned a ton of stuff over the weekend to help us hopefully make more profit. We're aiming for $300 this week because that will put us right on track for $2,400 over the rest of July. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get it. One thing I did this weekend was learn how to use the Thinkorswim trading platform and also how to use the L2 data. L2 data provides a detailed view of the order book showing all bid and ask prices, which will give us potential insight on potential market moves to help us make more money. Another thing I learned over the weekend is that trading pre-market will be better for making money. So over the week, we'll be trying pre-market just a little bit, and hopefully it could be a profitable strategy for us. So I wanted to quickly go over the Thinkorswim interface. So this is the open, like these are the orders right here. The working is the ones that are actively open. The filled are the ones I've sold or bought, and the canceled are orders that never went through. This is my profit or loss. This is where I'll show you how much I made at the end of the day or lost. Right here's my watch list. Right here is a little chart on whatever I'm using at the moment. This is where I write down notes on everything. This is where I can buy and sell stuff. The level 2, this is where I see the most important, pretty much the most important thing in this, and it sees the buy and sell orders, and this is how much money I have right now in the account. And yeah, this is what I'm going to be using the rest of this challenge. So that's pretty much everything we did over the weekend, and if I did anything else, then I'll let y'all know. So I'm going to get my rest, and I'll wake up at 7:30 sharp for trading. So I'll see you tomorrow. It's Monday, July 6th, first day of week 2. We learned a lot of stuff over the past week, and we're ready to make some profit. We're going to take one trade. We're going to look at pre-market, and yeah, let's get it. So we ended up trading all of pre-market, and we literally did not take a single trade. And for that reason, we are going to go into market open, and we're going to try to find a trade for that. The reason we didn't take any trades is because nothing met all of our strategy requirements, which is a break of the MACD and the EMA, and some good RSI, and the L2 being good as well. So we're going to go to market open. We're going to trade for about an hour, see if we can find anything. If we don't, I'll still have my phone on, so in case I see something moving, I'll try to get into that. But besides that, yeah, we haven't done much today. So it's about an hour and a half later. It's 11 o'clock, and we did end up taking one trade. And we did end up making profit. The ticker was FXHO. So we found a position right where the MACD crossed and it crossed the VWAP as well at the same time. So that was no-brainer. We took that trade. We were up $80 at one point. We were writing it out. I sold half of my position, up $20, and then it dropped all of a sudden. So I ended up making $30 on the day, which considering the past week isn't bad at all. I mean, we did have a good amount of profit on Friday, but considering the rest of it, we're green now. We're up. We're at $1,017. So we're up $17 for the challenge, and hopefully we can keep carrying this momentum throughout the week and eventually be at $2,400. So I just wanted to go over the trade we took today real quick. So right here, it bounced off the MACD, which is a very good indicator. That's pretty much support now. So it bounced off the MACD. I watched it rise a little bit. I saw the L2 looking super well. So I ended up entering like right around here. I don't remember exactly where, but I entered somewhere around this area. And then I watched it cross the VWAP, which I knew was confirmation. So I continued to ride it out until right about here. And I ended up selling like here for that $33 profit. It was a really good trade. We should be able to use this strategy over and over again. And yeah, it was a pretty good day. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Day 2, Tuesday. We didn't take any trades today. I forgot to wake up to record the first part of this that I usually record. And yeah, we saw no good setup. So I just decided it was best to close up the laptop and just relax for the rest of the day. So we'll come back tomorrow, try to see if there's any good setups to trade. But if we don't see any good setups, I'm not going to take a trade because that's just wasting money. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, Wednesday. I ended up forgetting to record this morning, but basically we ended up losing $50. We took a random trade. Man, I've been slacking the past 2 days. We're going to come back tomorrow, try to make our money back, and hopefully we can start recording better again. I've been slacking so badly the past 2 days, but I'm going to lock in, guys. I'm going to lock in. Don't worry. I think we're just going to call it a week for week 2. The market conditions are just really bad as of recent. And our guy who makes all the scanner things, he's gone for the week. He's on vacation. So we'll come back week 3 strong. I don't know if we're going to hit $2,500. I'm losing hope, honestly. But maybe we can hit $2,000 or $1,500, and I'd be perfectly fine with that. Week 2 ending account value is $968.77. And I'll see y'all for week 3. It's week 3. We're going to try to make some money, but I'm not feeling too hopeful at this point. We've continued to lose money. It's Monday, right before market open. We're going to lock in. We're going to try to make some money. but knowing my luck, we're probably gonna lose. So yeah, we our watch list guy came back, like our scanner guy. So we're gonna use him. Hopefully we can do something. And yeah, let's get it. End up losing like $70 tomorrow. We're just gonna kind of just hop into momentum. We're not even gonna use our setup because it's been rough the past couple of days. And yeah, well we'll go over it, I guess. But yeah, it was rough. So we ended up buying Mimi right here. The dude said if it crossed 330 and held, it broke the downtrend, and we ended up buying right at 330. It went up a little bit, and I thought we were good. Crossed the VWAP. It wasn't a full candlestick though, so yeah, we held and then it went down. I ended up selling right when it crossed the downtrend, and yeah, the trend line in India. So rough day. We'll come back Tuesday. We're literally just gonna follow momentum tomorrow. Hopefully that momentum can help us make money. Like look at this on AGen. See this? See this run? I was watching it right here, and it broke this. It broke the EMA, broke the MACD, and it looked this run. Man, I should have gotten into this, but we'll try this again tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Tuesday of week 3, and we are struggling, man. We lost another $60. Our account value is at 833. We're really going to reevaluate the situation. We might just go back to paper trading, in all honesty, because we are not making any money. I don't even want to back test at this point. I am going to, but I probably won't record it. And yeah, we're just going to get through this video. We're going to keep trying to make some money, but I might have to go back to the basics and try to relearn my strategies and all that. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Wednesday. We didn't take a trade today. There was no good setups. We really just paper traded. We also made some money on the paper trade, but it's paper trade, so we really actually didn't make anything. But we're getting our strategies down. Tomorrow we'll probably end up trading a little bit more, and yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow. It's week 3, day 4 trading. We really watched a lot of Ross Cameron videos the past 2 days, so I'm using his exact strategy to make money now. So wish me luck. We're hopefully gonna make money today. So let's get it. So we did end up making our first green day in a long time. We made $60 off of a perfect setup play, man. Like we literally knew exactly what was gonna happen. We're gonna show you what I did, and we're gonna try to repeat this the rest of the 6 days we have left of this challenge, and hopefully we can turn our very, very low portfolio. At least we can make some profit. Hopefully, that's what we're aiming for. So let's get it. So this is the trade we ended up taking. We bought in right here because live as it was going, this green candle broke above this red candle. It was, in hindsight, it was a dumb move to buy there. There was better entries, but we ended up still making money. It went all the way down. We were down like $60. I was low-key scared. My stop was at 136, right where it like had all this support. And it ended up bouncing almost off of it, and it decided to ride up. I sold right here, which is pretty good exit point considering how it went after. And then I watched it for a little bit. I realized this is a very negative sign because it tops out but doesn't hold that strong green volume. And yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. It was a pretty good day today. Hopefully we make money tomorrow, and if we don't take a trade today, this was the last trade of the episode. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It's Friday, the end of week 3. We're gonna try to make a good trade, one single good trade, and get out. Let's get it. So we ended up losing $16 on our trade, but that's not bad considering it was a good setup trade. It just didn't work out the way we wanted it to. I mean, that happens. Not every trade's gonna be perfect with the right strategy. So we're ending the week with $880. We're still down $120 for the challenge, not including all the fees for the scanner and all that. So next week we're gonna need to really lock in. We're down to going like a historic run. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.